Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shubheksha Singh and I hope all of you are doing great today. So today's video is going to be very exciting and it's going to be very different from the ones that I've already done. So today's video is something that I thought of is to do a lash collection video mostly, and I'm going to just show you guys my whole collection and recommend the best out of it for all you people. So I have got a lot of requests from people to tell them about drugstore lashes or which are very budget friendly and they do not wear off that easily. So you can actually wear these lashes if stored well for 30 times. I worn it for 40 times in fact. But the whole trick goes into how you store your lashes. And if you guys are new to lashes and don't know how to apply it, I already have a video on my YouTube channel. I would insert the tag here, so you guys can click on that and you can watch how to apply lashes. I have a very simple trick for that as well, and I've used my hands, so which is very easy for all the people who are a beginner into applying lashes. So I have a whole stash of lashes. This is where I store them and I can see all the numbers, and also I really like things organized. So without any further ranting now, we just get down into the video. So I just want to show you guys the whole stash that I have, and I have all the lashes stored right here. There are lashes from various brands, but let me tell you, I only have lashes from affordable budget friendly brands because I feel that there is no point in spending so much on lashes, because if anyways, like, makeup in general terms is also so expensive. So it's better to invest in a good brand in terms of lashes and use it for a longer time if you store it well. So I'm going to show you the best lashes that I have for beginners, which is very easy to apply, very easy to store, and you can use it for a longer period of time. So I'm going to start off with my first lash. So guys, I have these 5 to 6 lashes from this brand, and this brand was very new to me, and one of my friends suggested me this brand. This brand is Eye on Alsh. So Alsh is the brand name, and I found these lashes on Amazon, and the MRP written on the packaging is 600 rupees, but I bought it for 329 or something. So this is very cheap in terms of buying lashes, and it's one of the best quality of lashes I've ever come across. I'm going to insert all the pictures of these lashes that I'm showing you people. I've applied all of them a lot of times, and I'm going to suggest you the best out of these. This one is my most favorite one. So this is the CB501. I'll just show you guys the number of this lash, and this is how it looks. The lash band is so broad. I'll just show you guys, so you guys can see the lashes over here inside the packaging. This is how it looks, and I'll just show you guys the lash band. This is where you can see the lash band of these lashes. It's so broad and it's so easy for people who are just like a beginner in terms of applying lashes. You can easily put the glue on this and you don't have to worry about the band being so thin or something that you are just going to do some kind of mishap or something while applying your lashes, or the glue just might go into your eye. So it's very easy to apply these lashes on. Other two variants that I really like from this brand, the orange one and the green one. So this is V003 and this is L105. These are the dramatic ones, like the extra drama that you want to add the oomph for, and these are the very simple ones. Like, they would just look as if you have a very simple lash game going on, and people might even think that you don't have any lashes on. So the first brand that I have recommended is Alsh. You can go on Amazon. I would link the lashes that I find, so do check the description box if you want to buy any of them. Guys, I have around 8 to 9 lashes from this brand called Pack. So this is the brand Pack Cosmetics. You can find this brand anywhere, on Nykaa, on Purple, on Amazon, anywhere that you want to find it. And this is one of the best brands for lashes. This was my first brand when I just went into applying lashes and all, and these are the few favorite variants of mine. So I would just show you guys. This is Pack 59 lashes, and I've recommended this to a lot of people who've asked me for a recommendation on lashes. And this has a very small, like a thin band, but it's very easy to hold and have a grip of lashes, and you can apply it very easily. And also I really like the length of these lashes. It's not really voluminous or something, but it really adds that extra let your lashes to just make them look even more fluttery and nice. And I like this number of pack lashes, which is pack 53, and these are very natural lashes. I'm sorry that they're just coming off out of the packaging. So I've used this many times. Like, I've used these lashes at least 30 to 40 times, but I've stored them so well. I always take out the glue from these lashes before storing them, because I don't want like any glue sticking onto it, because otherwise it's just gonna damage your lashes in the longer run. Third favorite of mine from pack is M75. These lashes are also great. Like, these are very nice for wearing to a wedding or a party function that you're getting ready for. Just do a very nice, like a subtle eye makeup, don't apply any liners, and you're good to go with these lashes. I love it. And all of these, like the price range of these lashes are like this is for 375, so the range is basically ranging around 300 to 400 rupees, which is very good. I have this lash recommendation. This is the last one for you people. So this is from Henna Beauty, and these are mint lashes. In the shade, the name of the lashes are Inayat, and these are very dramatic, like extra dramatic. So if you are not into such huge fluttery lashes, then there's no point investing in this. This was really expensive. This came for 600 rupees. I feel it's expensive because I generally tend to spend on only 300 to 400 rupees on lashes. So I have a picture with these lashes. These are so fluttery, so voluminous, and I really like it for like adding that extra drama to a very subtle outfit if you're going out for a function or a friend's shadi, sangeet, or whatever. And these were the few recommendations that I had for you people, and I have seen very less videos on lash recommendations, so I was like, why not do one for you all people who keep on asking about beginner lashes for beginner people and all of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and do all the nice things to help me grow my channel into a bigger community. And I would be really thankful to you for doing that much for me. So guys, till then, I will see you in my next video. Be positive, keep sharing love, and please be safe, guys. Bye guys.